STEAMWorks Consultancy presents a plant propagation video as a companion to The Secret Garden, a novel by Francis Hodgson Burnett. Materials: seeds, chives and California poppies. Bulbs for indoor growing. 2 glass trays, toothpicks, soil, a scoop or a trowel, 2 zip bags and 2 paper towels, a spice jar, and water. Fill the spice jar with water and then put the leaf point up and the root ball down right over the top of the water. And hopefully we can see the growth of the roots. Using the plastic bags and the paper towels, we will make a chamber to germinate the seeds. So you sprinkle the seeds on the paper towel, you add some water, you fold the paper towel up, and you put the seeds inside the plastic bag. Make sure to label them. Now we're going to do plant propagation. In soil, we'll have the seeds and the bulbs right next to each other in the conditions of the secret garden. So add soil to the tray about halfway up and then add the bulbs in as the directions say on your package. Finally, add more soil to the top of the bulbs. Now we'll add the seeds to the next chamber. We'll put toothpicks in to show a line, and then we'll just sprinkle the seeds that are in the packet in the line so we know where all the seeds are. Cover the seeds with soil, and your chambers are ready. Now add a bit of water to each one, and then you can keep these chambers in your classroom and have students do observations. And they should keep everything moist but not soaking wet. First observations on day 4 after planting. If you notice, in the soil, the bulb on the right is producing a leaf already. Other evidence of growth is not there, but in the chambers, especially the chives, they're producing very small roots, which is really excellent. They're hard to see, but they're there. The bulb on the spice jar is not showing anything. Second observation, day 6. In both the chambers, the seeds, the poppies, and the chives are growing longer roots. Also, you can see that the leaf is getting bigger from the bulb. And now we have California poppies peeking out of the soil. No growth on the bulb on the spice jar. Third observation, day 8. We've moved outside. You can see that the roots have continued to grow in both growth chambers with seeds, but we're done with these now. You can also see that there are leaves growing on 2 of the bulbs in the soil and a slight leaf on the bulb over the water, and both types of seeds are growing in the soil now. Fourth observation, day 12. The bulb over water is now growing roots, which is exactly what it would be happening in the soil. So this is an excellent time to study roots. And the poppies and the chives are also continuing to grow, but they're so long and spindly, they'd really be hard to study. So we'll pick a more robust plant in the future. From 19 days onward, we're going to focus on the plants growing from the bulbs. Students can measure the length of the leaves and make a graph of this data. They can write down the day that the the bud appears on top, and how long it takes for the flowers to bloom. These are really great observations to make, and they'll make the secret garden story so much more realistic. And there's so many other things you could do with this. Thank you for watching. And if you need to contact me, you can contact me at steamworksjk@gmail.com.